Hey guys, Jake from Jake's Model Workbench here, and I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of a bench tour today, because I just finished up a model, which is sitting right here, which you guys will see in a minute. And yeah, I know I promised this a little while ago, and I haven't really gotten to it, so here we go. So, starting off, here's some of my kits. If you hear a meow, it's just from my cat's Bubba. It's been very lovey today. It's kind of weird for him. He's normally not. Hi. So, right here, there's 15 kits here, 9 kits here, and 12 up there. This is about, I'd say half of my collection maybe, so that'd equal 15, 26, 28, 38, sorry. So there's 38 kits right there. Then we go along here. I have a receipt for my last hobby shop haul. As you can see, it was not cheap. So I always go into a hobby shop with somebody else. And after the last video, I said I was going to work on a trailer frame, and this is it. It's all built, and I have to redraw and cut the deck, because for some reason the plans on the deck, which is right there on my evergreen sheet collection, didn't line up with the trailer. I don't know why. I think it would have. And then here's the cubby for that. Cubby I made actually about a month ago. It was just before my last camping trip, which was very beginning of August. And moving on, we have DVD player, which I don't use anymore. We have some shop cards. We have one from Dylan over at NYS Modeling. Did that, and he sent me, he just sent me a shop card. And I have 2 from Man Cave Models. So I also got a sticker, and I'll show you those in a second. We did a sticker swap, and he surprised me, was giving me 2 shop cards, which was very nice of him. And back here we got some Elmer's glue. I don't know why I have it. I just randomly bought it at the dollar store. Some random wood plank. I have to edit that one out. Got a box of Kleenex, because you always need some Kleenex. I have all my paintbrushes. So you got the high quality tester ones here, the cheapy testers, then just the random cheap big ones. There's a couple testers in there that I don't use anymore. Back here's all my markers. Here you got 2 Molotow pens, a couple off-brand Sharpies, bunch of Sharpies, gel pen for tire letters. And right here I have a bunch of my evergreen rods and stuff. So I got the 2 mil, 1 millimeter, it's the 3.2 millimeter right there. Got the 3.2 millimeter square tubing and some I-beam. Just random stuff I've collected. Yeah, there's my cat. Hi, Bubba. Excuse me. I also have some 2 millimeter right there for a Chevelle project I'm going to be working on soon. And down here I got my toothpicks for using glue. Got a couple tea light candles for scratch building and roll cages and stuff. Some panel lines, some mark fit, bunch of paint up in here, bunch of paint there. This is all my stuff I've used for airbrush. Got some Tamiya putty, which I've used a little bit on this project. Oh yeah, I just finished this one. It's the Mobius 66 Ford short bed. Just finished this one about 5 minutes ago maybe. And yeah, and this mat here is I think it's 24 inches this way, 17 inches that way. I've had this for almost 2 years now. I've used both sides because just random stuff like that. That side's not actually too bad right there. But this side down here is all covered in stuff. See, it's quite dirty. And I have my setup here. I have X-Acto knife, panel scriber, tweezers, sprue cutters, silver paint, because I use that a lot, so I keep it nearby. Bob Smith Industries Maxi Cure, some Tamiya Extra Thin Cement, some Bob Smith Industries Super Gold Plus. This is just where you can buy it. Got my bottle of thinner for cleaning off the brushes. Just got a bunch of random stuff back there. I got Yeti cooler that was 3D printed by my buddy Jordan out in Alberta. I have 440 Mopar, push bumper, a bunch of other parts for Mopar. Here I got 4 NASCAR tires that are going to be used on the Chevelle Street Stock project. I have a boom tube just in case I want to use it. And a bunch more stuff from Jordan. There's a couple steering wheels, some carburetors, and a couple winches. I also got a NASCAR shifter right there. And these are my rims and backing, I call them backing plates, for tires for the trailer project once I get some tires for it. Here is my the water I use for my decals. I just set the decal paper in there, then throw it out in the garbage can. I have a thing I use to hold bodies while I'm painting them, which I haven't used in a long time because I haven't really airbrushed anything in a while. I need some parts for it, and I just haven't gotten them yet. And my big thing, paper towel. And I have a bunch of spray cans that I've been using, quite a few of them on this one. I have my buckfall sandpaper. In here there's 80 grit. I believe this is 240. 1000, there's a little piece of 600 right here. That's just random stuff I have. I have a razor saw, 2 lighters, I like the tea candles, custom Hot Wheels I did a little while ago. Kind of, I called it dirt modified because it has this big extension. It was in a second gen Camaro 81-ish, somewhere around there. I was bored in between projects, so I just did that. I have a bunch of movies back here that I used to watch on a DVD player. Got a thing of bare metal foil, masking tape, ruler. Here's my stickers. I got one from my buddy Hollis, Pit Road Models. 124 scale modeling. He's the one that did the 3D printing. Lee over at Zen Modeling. There's a Man Cave Model sticker. One for my buddy Brandon at Lee's Custom Models, and my own sticker. DM me on Instagram if you want to get one of them. A power bar back here, engine hoist, little one, a couple random tweezers. Then up here, I have the jars that the glue came in. I use those for tubs if I ever tub a vehicle, which I haven't yet. I have extra razor saw blade. This one's extra tall. 2-can spray paint, random masks. First got into model building as paint masks. I have some more glue. I have a random bottle of Bob Smith Industries glue. Some toothpicks. A bunch of random parts back there. There's a Mustang chassis. A bunch of parts from a Tommy Ivo kit. And a digital caliper measurer thing. I completely forget what it's called. I use this stuff for big rig stacks. You can sand it down. Looks quite nice. I'll show you. Actually, I don't have any pictures of that. Got this that came in a kit. I forget where that kit is. I don't see it. I don't know where it went to. Yeah, couple random cans of spray paint up there that are empty. This one's right here, not quite empty, but it's pretty close. Got some more toothpicks. Never have too many of those. I have a what are these called? Circle templates. Got some eyedroppers, some putty for scratch build. Goodness, it just fell. I was sitting up here, and over here I have some more of my kits all the way up there. So far I've finished these two that I got in my last hobby shop haul. I still have these two, which I'm gonna do a kit review for one of them. I'm gonna film it right after this, and it'll probably be up the day after whenever this comes out, which should be the same day. And yeah, this is the 66 Ford. See, I did it in that color right there, Rust-Oleum. Doesn't exactly say. Gloss Seaside, which I quite like the color. It goes nice. On camera it's very blue, but it's actually a teal color. And it came out very nice. I just got the spare tire back in here. So it wouldn't, for some reason it wouldn't mount underneath. I also built this little cubby for it yesterday. Complete scratch belt, and then paint sides because they're covered by the box sides. I just used evergreen 1mm rod for the handle and some 0.5mm for the latches and the handle supports, I guess you could call them. Some marker around the window to act as trim. See a bunch of flaws in the paint because I was being stupid and I was rushing this project, and the clear coat wasn't fully dry. You can see in here there was great big dents in here that I'm guessing were obviously meant to be there, but I filled them in and sanded them. You can still kind of see them. They didn't turn out quite the way I wanted, but they look a lot better. So I painted that body color. Got an aggressive stance to it. I call it aggressive, but most people just call it stance. See, look in here. Very well detailed kit. I did have some trouble with the front glass. You can see it's not quite all the way seated in, but I really don't care. It looks good from afar, and that's all that really matters. So, hood back on there. And yeah, that's the Jake's Model Workbench. And I hope you guys enjoyed that little tour. As I said, I'm gonna go film a kit review right after this. Get it done and over with. It'll be up day after whenever this is uploaded, which should be I think today is September 2nd. Yeah, it's Tuesday, so yeah. It'll probably be up tomorrow. And yeah, make sure to go follow my Instagram and like me on Facebook. And I hope you all have an awesome day.